Alright, yo, what's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys what I do to go film some content for other social media platforms. It's my first time using this kind of head mount, so I don't know if it works well, but got the 340 here. She's a little dirty, so I think I'm gonna go get a car wash first. She should still be a little warm, yeah, because I just took her for a drive a little bit ago. We're gonna go all windows and everything down, Sport Plus. You guys already know the vibes. Hopefully this looks good on camera. I don't know if it does. Everybody, we're gonna head up to my favorite self-service car wash spot real quick. Valves haven't opened yet. Oh, wait, there they are. That's one thing I will say, if you guys like don't have a Beamer, I'm not sure if all BMWs are like this, but specifically the F chassis, is like, it doesn't matter if the engine's already warm, it still takes like a minute to 2 minutes for the valves to open. It's so annoying. But no, it doesn't matter what you fucking do. It's just, yeah, I mean, the only way I guess you could say to kind of get rid of that, if you want to do like a cold start with the valve open, is to literally have the valve open, right? Unplug the harness to the valve and it will just stay stuck open. Now you will get like an error for that. It's not like a check engine light or anything, it's just like a hidden code, but you will get an error for that, of course. I know on like the, if I'm not mistaken, on like the M3s, when you're in sport mode, and you push your foot all the way down and hit that button at the bottom of the pedal, it will open up the valve before you even start the engine. Every time I try to do that in my car, it just won't do it, and I don't know why. Downshifts going. Yeah, I went ahead and put the stage 1 trans tune on the car from XHP, which, if you guys are new to the channel, not familiar, I do have a stage 1 built pure trans. Now, Pure themselves really say that if you want to have a transmission tune, you shouldn't go over stage 1 XHP. For the longest, I was running stage 0, which doesn't really change anything. The reason I had stage 0 was so I can get rid of torque limiters, because, well, I have a built trans that my car's making nowhere near the power it can hold, so. But I was like, you know what, I wanted to try the ignition cut that XHP has, as well as just get a little bit faster shift, so I just put stage 1 on there. And I'm kind of mixed on it, to be honest. Like, I kind of am iffy about it. I mean, it definitely shifts faster. I mean, don't get me wrong, you guys just saw how fast that shifted, but at the same time, it is a little jerky, especially mixed with the already built transmission. What's this guy selling? Trailer Park Hustlers over here. I'm really hoping this video turns out good as far as like what you guys can see, because I'm trying this now on my Insta 360 instead of my GoPro. Insta 360, Ace Pro 2, only link it down below. I do get a little bit of a kickback if you do purchase it, so I appreciate that. Shoot, I'm mad, I forgot my my Esoteric stuff. If you guys don't know, Esoteric is a detailing company. From my understanding, I think they're fairly new, but I love their stuff. Oh shit, this is gonna suck dick. Oh. I hate driving through that fucking deep ass. Oh, there was a Mustang that just left and another one. All right, gotta shut all of the windows, which this means, guys, obviously I won't be able to have the windows down for most of the rest of the ride until I get done filming my videos, but yeah. Let's see if this recognizes my face with the yep, okay, cool. Well, I recognize my face with my camera on my head. We're gonna go ahead with the pre-soak. Get some basic light dirt off. Yeah, normally I use that esoteric stuff, which I will link it down below, which it really normally cleans good, but I forgot my cleaning bucket. This is more or less a last minute video, to be honest with you guys. I was like, know what? I was like planning on going to film a TikTok, so I was like, know what? Let me just film that process of me going to film a TikTok or, you know, short, something like that. I mean, everyone does it differently, but, you know, each of their own. I just got some fresh tires too, guys. So I gotta get some of that tire goop off. My wheels are dirtier than ever right now. Woo, spinners. What y'all know about them BMW spinners though? High pressure rinse. Kind of get the soap out. So what I'd like to do is I'll go with the, nah, actually I don't got time for that. We'll do the spot free rinse. I was gonna do a low-key little wax coat, but we only got like a minute and some change left. I'm really not trying to do another $5 for one I'm not really gonna use. A little spot free rinse coat on there. Alrighty. Now before y'all cook me, okay? Again, last minute. So I didn't bring a towel or anything. But it's cool. I'm gonna be like a little nerd and be like the classic, you know, speed dries, you know. It's fucking hot with the windows up though, so I gotta kick on that AC. If y'all don't know, I normally roll my windows down, no AC, but you know. All right, so I think I'm actually gonna head to a little industrial park to go ahead and film this video. So let's head there. Might roll there mostly in comfort mode, save some gas. I need to clean the interior of my car, guys, so also don't cook me for that, dude. I've been like so busy with this move to my new house thing that it just been, yeah, not it. Oh, holy sh, y'all see that? Dang. I'm just gonna squeeze my way out of here without scraping. Yeah, perfect. This is great. We're good. We're good, y'all. You know what? Fuck it. We'll kick her into Sport Plus. Sport Plus with some manual shifts. I'll vent so you guys can hear a little bit. Oh, do the turbo spools. Whew. Oh, this current TikTok video that I'm gonna film is a trend I've been seeing, and I'm debating on, I mean, I'm for sure gonna go now and film it, but I also might go back out later tonight when it's darker and redo it, because I'm trying to get the aesthetic vibe of, you know, am I gonna do it when it's nighttime, daytime? So basically I'm gonna try both. If I can, when I do TikTok videos or shorts or really anything, is I'll try to basically get the same video but done twice, and then basically pick from that choice. We're gonna go down this road here. Let me know what you guys think about the POV drive videos. I might do more of these. Normally, in a situation, I'll try to get a little rowdy for you guys, but I also like to get rowdy with my windows down, and they are wetter than wet right now, so I cannot, because they will freaking streak my windows. So this road I'm on, guys, like, nobody knows how to drive, I swear. Like, so I was coming down this road, and like over here there's like an exit for a development, and some lady just flies right out in front of me, and I had to do one of those like freaking like I slammed on my brake, hit right, and then over here there's like a entranceway right there. You guys should be able to see it coming up though here, so I have to go boop boop, cut back in. Dude, I'm so lucky that that was there, because if that was there, I would have straight T-boned her ass. I'm telling you, these Strongsville moms, that's the city I'm in right now, these Strongsville moms do not know how to freaking drive, dude. The one thing I love about my build is that, like, you don't even have to really get on it to assert dominance. Like, just a good little like phew of the turbo, the motherfuckers know what's going on. Because I'll give you guys a quick little story, because we're about to be at the spot that I'm about to film this video at. But quick little story is there is a Corvette, I think it's the ZL1. I'm trying to think of what it. Basically the Corvette, the new C8 with the flat plane crank, not the brand new one. I don't even think that's been out yet with the twin turbos. I'm talking about just the flat plane crank and a V8 rolling. Don't hate me if I don't know. I'm not really a big Corvette guy, but anyway, he wanted to line it up with me, and all I did was give a little tap of the gas, so he hears that turbo spool, and he was like, "Ah, never mind, you got that one." Because you can either buy the supercar or build a car that beats supercars, just saying. We're gonna go down here, down this little industrial parkway. It's Saturday too, so hopefully I have some room to get some content without interfering with anybody's job. Bro, these train tracks here sketch me out, because there's no fucking like signal, so you gotta be like real cautious. Oh. Look at the figure that is. These roads though are shit. Ooh. Yeah, I am not making it in that freaking curve, bro. Dude, there's no shot. Yeah, I'm not even gonna make it into that curb right there, yo. Alright guys, so I only have like 2 minutes left of recording, at least on my is it 360? It's about to die. Oh fuck, I forgot to shut my sunroof. Shut the sunroof really quick. Find the fucking button. There we go. Oh, she looked gorgeous in the sun, bro. So I think I got that part of the clip. All right, guys, so this is gonna be a little bit different. My camera died mid-filming. So with that being said, yeah, but we got the footage I wanted, so I'm gonna go ahead and fuck it, we're gonna roll all these windows down, bro, because I can always clean the windows after I do the videos. It's a beautiful day right now. 67 degrees, starting to get to that fall weather. I love it. I have no complaints, man. Yeah, I don't know if you guys watched my last video where I was on my bike, my recently video. There I was talking about doing probably looking at getting like an X3M. This car is so fun to drive, y'all. I don't even know how to explain it. It's a love-hate relationship, to be honest, man, because I spent so much money on this car, but at the same time, it's so worth it. Dude, just those, like, bang freaking shifts are, oh, that's that ignition cut, baby. Now, I'm, like, holding you guys right now because, well, I got you plugged in. So can't really rock with the cord hanging off my head, but so I'm basically holding with one hand, driving with the other. But yeah, everybody, if you haven't yet, make sure to go follow me on my TikTok, Instagram, my other social medias. That's where you're gonna see the TikTok that I just filmed, most likely. But yeah, if you guys want to see more POV videos of me driving the car, let me know. I try not to go too crazy, at least in this general area. Cops are a, let's just say, a nuisance. The cops are a nuisance over here. I'm not the nuisance, the cops are, but you guys get what I'm saying. So, we already hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about my car, my build, or anything else, and whatever you want to see, let me know down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.